Okay, so what's actually happening during a chiropractic adjustment? No, it's not taking a bone that's out of place, putting it back into place. It is actually taking a bone or a joint, more so a joint that is not moving freely, and just reintroducing motion into that joint. So for example, let's talk about our thoracic spine here. So it's meant to give us a little bit of rotation, right? And then we have lateral bending with it as well. Ideally, all of them are going to do that together and kind of share that motion along the entire length of our thoracic spine. If one of these joints somehow is just not moving correctly with all the other ones, we're gonna get a lot of wear and tear at the joints above and below that. So we don't want that to happen. We want to get everything to move together. So basically with the adjustment, we're coming in, inducing that motion back into that segment, right, with a quick impulse. And the idea is that we're getting that to move freely again, and then it can then be part of that entire chain of movement, which just allows us to get into these positions a little bit easier. Rotation, lateral bending, extension, flexion, those sort of things. So we want to make sure that our joints are moving together, that they're sharing the load and not just relying on a certain mobile joints to do that. And that can help you with any of your sports. So like we're going up for a volleyball serve, right? We need to have that extension, a little bit of rotation that will allow us to be in a position where our shoulder doesn't need to try to make up for that either. So that's why we want to get motion, particularly in the thoracic spine, but this is the same can be true for the cervical spine, so up by our skull, and then also our lumbar spine down here. Okay, so no, we're not taking bones from here and putting them back into place. That's not the case. We're taking a joint that is restricted and then just trying to get motion into that joint there.